Ooh. Package. Day 14.
Day 14 in the Goth household. Matt and Lara have been trying really, really hard to find things to occupy their time. Well, yeah. So essentially, as you may have noticed, we've had a lot of time on our hands.
Yeah. And time is a weird concept right now.
Yes. So essentially our lives have become one large, blank, featureless, black space of trying to fill the endless void of our hours. But at least I've got you to do it with.
No! Cut!
It got to the point where we needed some form of physical manifestation of the featureless black expanse that was the complication of our lives. Which is where that turned up. Oh God. Oh God, I regret this. Oh God. We're good.
God.
I am a juggler. I am a juggler.
Oh God.
We can do this.
Right. How did it get bent?
It fell down the back of the... Oh dear God. We've lost half of it down the back of the... We've lost half the puzzle down the back of the bookcase.
Of course we have.
Of course we have.
One eternity later. Oh, Jesus.
It took me 2.5 hours to do this much puzzle. That much has just fallen behind the bookcase.
Oh.
There are no colours here. There is nothing. Mistakes were made.
Mistakes were made.
This is somewhere. This is getting towards worst nightmare kind of territory. This was a terrible idea. I cannot tell whether there'll be a missing piece in this puzzle until I've built it.
Oh dear.
Yeah. At least I look elegant while doing this.
Wonderfully elegant, darling.
But of course they're all black and it's all dark back here, so who knows?
Okay.
Okay.
Back to the puzzle. Where were we?
Where were we?
Yeah, where were we?
So, that is the only feature that this puzzle has. It has a circular design somewhere in it. That's what we have to work off. So before we get started on this, I should just mention that the aim of this whole thing is that because we are a craft adjacent YouTube channel,
Craft adjacent,
we are by law required to do a resin table.
that is the truth. That is the God's honest law.
So what we're going to do is when we have finished making that puzzle, we are going to use resin and put it on to that black, cheap IKEA coffee table. And it'll be beautiful. And it'll be beautiful. I've been at this, at a guess, for about 14, 15 hours. And what we have, we've placed every interesting looking piece, every one that is distinct, odd shaped, anything identifiable. 15 hours. And what we are left with now is piece after piece after identical looking piece. This is what our lives have come to. So how does it feel to have got this far? Keep sorting.
One eternity later.
Well, you see, the thing is, darling, do you think I would let you place the last f***ing piece?
Oh, you did. You're such a...
Yep.
Oh my god.
Yes, there it is in all its glory. Let's never do that ever again. The moment of truth. Three weeks of work, just all over the floor. This is the bit where we attempt to look professional. Well, that wasn't terrifying at all. And they said that this was the right stuff. Should definitely have done this beforehand. Right. I just want to make you very aware that this is your fault.
My fault?
Your fault.
I failed to see how this was my fault. I mean, this is becoming quickly world's strongest goth competition.
I wish we had some fresh blood to drink. Change places.
Change places! God.
Yes.
And you know I came very close to doing the same thing to you.
Of course you did.